Speaking about Amity University,
When I first set foot in our college, it was as pretty as the pictures I saw online.
first thing that comes into the mind of any student is the campus infrastructure, which any student would dream for.
I felt as though I am studying in a college located in London.
We all were introduced to online schooling, an experience which started off a little confusing for all of us.
I have spent a whole year learning through this virtual platform because of this COVID pandemic.
Oh, that's beautiful. That
So
is
grateful
beautiful.
to the faculty members
Thank
who made
you.
us feel very much welcome, and the mentors who have always been so helpful and welcoming to all our problems.
By conducting interactive lectures and group activities.
In our first year, we had a session with Mr. Shekhar Gupta about the journalism in India and the journey of his online news portal, The Print.
Founder Chairman Mr. Chauhan, Ashok Chauhan, because he is a true institution builder. Such a large institution all over the country in one lifetime, I think it's a great job. It's a true visionary who does this, who brings quality education to a lot of people.
Amity has been technology driven even before the pandemic. There is a portal which is known as Amazon, which is designed for the students.
Everyone can simply express their deepest dreams, their truest stories. A creative world in harmony.
Amity gave me an opportunity to network with a very, very diverse group of students from all across the country and also globally.
Do we have music?
Various online competitions and club activities have brought us together even when our courses are poles apart.
We have a set of experienced and skilled faculties, and we are very interactive.
Our teachers supported us throughout and stood by us in this difficult time.
It made me confident enough to represent myself on international platforms.
I think all of you are very fortunate to be studying in a fine institution like this.
Thank you so much, Ashko and Amity University Mumbai, for supporting me and helping me to build my career.
Friendships and the relationships that I have made in Amity is something that I'm going to cherish for a very long period of my life. Thank you, Amity. Thank you, faculties, for this wonderful experience.